so welcome back to my channel, and in this video I've partnered up with Kate Tokyo and we are going to show you how to achieve this daily natural makeup look with literally only 4 products. Yep, if you want to know how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright, starting off with foundation, I'm using the Kate Tokyo Powdery Skin Maker, which is a liquid to powder foundation that gives you high coverage and a flawless matte finish. Although it's a medium to full coverage product, it doesn't feel heavy on my skin and it's really easy to blend away. Also, I love how it just turns into a powdery finish which adheres firmly to my skin. With this foundation, I can just skip my setting powder, which is totally awesome. Okay, now we are done with the base, let's move on to the brows. I'm using the Kate Tokyo Designing Eyebrow 3D Kit, and it comes with a dual-ended brush that shapes eyebrows and adds shadows easily. So now I'm using the angle part to define my brows with the darkest shade from the brow kit. And as you can see, it has a really great color payoff, and that makes it so easy for me to draw my brows. And then flipping the brush over, I sweep through the lighter shades from the brow kit and brush them over to my entire brows to fill in the sparse area. This product really helps me to create the natural and soft looking brows that I'm going for today. And guess what? Using the same Kate Tokyo Designing Eyebrow 3D Kit, I'm going to lightly contour my nose for some definition. To contour, I start off by lightly blending the product from the beginning of my brows. Remember, start with a light hand as it's easier to blend and you can always build up the product when needed. And then, draw a thin line down each side of your nose as well as adding some shadows on the sides of the nose for a more natural look. Also, don't forget to contour the sides of the tip of your nose. Using the same product again, I'm going to mix 2 of the lighter brown shades and sweep them across my entire eyelid, focusing on my lash line. And this is going to create a really minimal eye makeup look when you're running out of time or you're just simply lazy like me. But is it amazing how you can use a single product for multiple functions? It definitely saves a lot of your time and money as well. Alright, now I'm going to use the Kate Tokyo Fit Rare Gel Pencil to tightline my eyes and draw my eyeliner. The gel texture is super soft and it glides on very easily, but at the same time giving you control while drawing your eyeliner. Another amazing thing about this product is that it's smudge-proof and waterproof, so you don't have to worry about your eyeliner getting smudged in the middle of the day. Okay, we are done with the eye makeup, and now I'm just going to use the Kate Tokyo Color Highvision Rouge in RD3 as a blush, because why not? I love this shade and I think it looks really pretty as a blusher on my cheeks. And of course, I'm going to use the same product now on my lips. For a soft and natural look, you can just apply this product in a single stroke and blend it away with your fingers like how I did. It gives off a matte finish but it's not drying at all. Alright, basically you may stop your makeup right here if you just want a natural look, but because I'm going out for an event today, I'm just going to quickly add mascara on my eyes to complete my makeup. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy and quick makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!